AI is here.
You're about to learn how to make viral videos just like this.
AI is out of control.
I'm Prism. I unlock AI.
Actually, I'm just Fit Bozar, your guide to monetizing AI. I'm doing this out of iMovie, but you can also do this out of Adobe. We'll take the easier route because you don't necessarily need wild editing tools to do this. So I'm in iMovie. I have a little hook here. I want to take the last frame of my video. So you can export this in Adobe, and in AI iMovie, is here. come in here and take a screenshot of the last frame, which may be a little odd because my face is in it, but we'll see how it turns out. And now when we take the screenshot, we want to go to Nano Banana, which is in Gemini. So we'll go to Nano Banana now. Here in Gemini, we want to go ahead and upload the last frame that we had from our video. So I'll go into here, upload. I've uploaded the file now, and I can add a prompt. I'm going to say, turn me into a robot. It's weird because I have the loom in the bottom right, so we'll see what it comes back with. Cool. So it just returned two robots. We'll go with it. So I'll just download the image here. Here in Midjourney, I'm over here in Create. I've uploaded some characters that I've created. I just literally put in the screenshot from the last frame of the video and into Nano Banana. I said, turn me into an alien, turn me into a robot, turn me into a neon samurai, turn me into some crystal AI guy. And these are the images that I got. So what we can do with Midjourney is start with an image and transform into the end image. So the start frame, I will use the last frame in the video. And now say I want to turn myself into a robot. Or actually we'll go with this guy, he looks cooler. And I'll say, turn me into the, I don't know what this guy is, crystal guy. No sound, because we can go ahead and add After Effects into iMovie. So we'll go ahead and do that. Motion, it'll be either be low or high, how active, how much the character is moving. I'll just go with low for this one, and we'll click submit, and it'll take a second to load here, and it'll give us four options so that we can go through and pick the one that we want to use. And you can run it a few times if you don't find the one that you like, but we'll go ahead and see what it comes up with. Here we are, it's finished loading, so we can just go ahead and, ooh, that's actually pretty sick. I'm kind of going looking left here, that's where the eyes went. I think this one. All right, so we'll just click download. You right click download for social, it'll download the file for you. Here we are on VO3. What you can do is just go to Google, type in VO3, or there are so many advertisements above the full to actually get to VO3. So make sure you're clicking on the right one. Or you can just go to deepmind.google/models/VO. And when you get to the VO3 site, you will have the opportunity to run it in Gemini or try it in Flow. I'm used to using it in Flow. You can try it in Gemini. We're going to go with Flow. And we are using Flow. So this is a Google tool. You will get it through your Google business. If you have it set up, it does also have free credits for you. So you have the link up here, labs.google.fx. I'm going to go ahead. I'm a subscriber. I will create a new project. And in here, I'm going to click frames to video. So I'm going to turn the crystal guy that we created, I'm going to add a prompt, and that will allow me to animate the guy that we created and also give him some dialogue. So I'm going to click here to upload an image. Some of the characters I created through Nano Banana, I have uploaded them here to VO3. And what I can do is go ahead and just click this character, and this is frames to video, and now I can give it a prompt. I added the prompt. The guy says, "You got me. I'm a being from Neptune," then flies out of the screen with no sound, because we can add sound effects using 11 Labs. So we'll go ahead and click, and it will generate this for us. All right. So here we are. The video is generated. So let's see. Google, what's going on here? I want some dialogue.
You got me. I am a being from Neptune.
And there we are. So we'll go with this
got
guy.
me.
This is great. All right, so we just download this. We'll upscale it to 1080p. This might take a second. And we'll give it some time, and then we'll get this video. If you're interested in learning more about AI and how to monetize it, I run a community, which will be linked down below. And just for an example, we have a bunch of agent templates that you can actually download and begin using today. So these are off-the-shelf agents. You can plug them into your life. You can monetize them. You can use them to sell to businesses. There's so many options. If you have any interest in monetizing AI, check the link down below and I'll see you inside. We're back in iMovie here. So here was the last frame, right? Now I want the transformation to the crystal guy, and then I want the crystal guy animated talking. So the next step would be to add the mid-journey transformation. So in here, I'll add the mid-journey transformation first. I just added the mid-journey transformation from the last frame to the crystal guy into iMovie. So just to show you, we can do maybe speed editor. This just takes too long. We can compress it. How fast do we want to do this? Oh, that man. Hollywood. What's going on? I saw some worse VFX. There is no excuse for bad CGI in movies anymore. I mean, you really have this. If I'm making this, you can do it too. All right, I think that's good speed. Let's see. If we just watch it here. All right, that's good. So we have the mid-journey transformation, and now we want to go ahead and add the dialogue from VO3. So I'll go ahead and drop the upscaled file that we just downloaded. So I dropped in the chat from this guy. Again, this takes way too long. And we'll do the speed editor and just compress this. How fast do we want this? Okay, so let's just see it. It's here.
You got me. I am a being from Neptune.
Well, we don't want the chipmunk. So what we can do is here, preserve pitch. So.
You got me. I am a being from Neptune.
Cool. I think we should compress this. That takes too long. Yeah, that's fine. And now when we do the transformation here, right? So this goes silent.
I am a being from Neptune.
Right, so he does his little thing. What we can do is actually go to 11 Labs and add some sound effects during the transformation. So next we'll go to 11 Labs. I'm in 11 Labs. If you don't have it, highly encourage you to get a subscription. You can duplicate your voice. You can find amazing sound effects. But anyways, we're in the sound effects and I want to do alien, I don't know. Let's see what it comes up with. I did alien plop explosion. Now we can see the sound signature here. Okay, I think I found a decent one. A striking yet elegant sound design. Sold. Striking yet elegant. It's good. Good sales. We'll take this one out and we'll go over to iMovie and drop it in. Back in iMovie here, we can go ahead and align the crystal sound effect with the transformation and see what it sounds like.
You got me. I am a being from Neptune.
I don't know. I think it sounds pretty good. Let's check. I think it came in too harsh. So let's dial it up. Let's see this time. Here.
You got me. I am a being from Neptune.
That. The little crescendo. All right, we'll stick with this. So now, what do we just do? We have our hook and we are transforming, and now we have a character that we're removing. What you can imagine here is being able to create dialogue for many different characters, cut it up, have them say a word, transform, not transform. You can have multiple characters in a row. You can just do so much, and it really lends to a very strong hook. So if you're creating a video for a short or a reel. This is pretty interesting. I don't know, it's novel. And if you see it, you'll definitely stop scrolling and say, you know, what is this? So you can see I'm not a photo editor, video editor. I'm sitting here using iMovie and a couple tools on the internet, and we're able to create something that looks actually pretty decent in terms of using it for a short or a reel. I hope you found the build useful. Hit the subscribe button if you found it helpful. Check the link down below. We have a link to the AI community. It's all about helping you stay on top of the new AI tools and how to monetize the new AI tools that come out. We also have done for you AI agents that you can sell to businesses. If you're curious about that, hit the link down below and I'll see you inside.